and big Komodo dragon.
Considered to be a sort of friend of the farmer.
Okay.
And but it swallows down vipers even.
Okay.
Yes. And it is living in water, and of course it can live in the land, and at the same time it can climb trees also. I have seen.
Okay.
Yes. This is a well-built fellow, and it is supposed to be. It is not harmful to the man, but the only thing in the good olden days they say they somehow they catch the fellow and sort of hang.
Okay.
And it's setting. When it is setting, it is roasted over fire.
Okay.
And when it is right, when the fellow is hung over fire,
All
it
right.
starts sort of putting down some liquid, right?
Liquid,
and
okay.
that is supposed to be very, very poisonous. So
Its liquid is very poisonous.
yes, that is supposed to be very poisonous, right?
Okay.
And say, if I am angry with somebody in the good old days, there are people like that also. They used to some other give to human beings who are your enemies, right?
Okay.
And if you consume that, you will actually die. Actually, no one knows how you have contacted that one, right? It may be that without your knowledge you have consumed that liquid or that food or whatever it is.
Okay.
And you will die of various
correct.
diseases actually. And if you are a man of that nature, then you will.
अभी जैसे मैंने दिखाया कि एक हमें मिला था मॉनिटर लिजर्ड जो बहुत ही पॉइजनस था और उसके बारे में बताया भी. और ये है कैंडी की ब्यूटीफुल लेक साइड. ये है कैंडी की ब्यूटीफुल लेक साइड. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लेक. यू कैन सी द माउंटेन देयर एंड द टेम्पल ऑफ टूथ एट द बैक साइड. एंड द वेदर इज सो प्लेजेंट एंड वेरी clean and fresh air. It is pollution free and you will find so much good people here. People are very helpful and kind in nature, so this is definitely a good place. You can also check the hotels at that side of the lake. And Kim is walking behind me and enjoying the view of this lake. Okay. So tell me something about this beautiful lake.
Yeah, it's Kandy City.
Okay, nice. तो ये रेलवे ट्रैक जो लोग यूज़ करते हैं रोड की तरह.